Hello and welcome to day 4, Thursday, April 8th. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. You have 3 assignments to do in async. The first one is fact and opinion picture description. You will look at this picture and give 3 facts and 2 opinions about this picture. A fact is something you can prove, an opinion is something, an idea, suggestion, how you think or feel. Okay, and you'll just put it in the comment section. Your next activity is in MEL. Okay, you have 2 activities in MEL. My friends, please do your MEL activities. About half of you are doing the activities, so please try and do them because they are very helpful and they go with some of the things that you've done in your book. All right. And next assignment is because. So remember, this is a Google Doc, so you're going to sign into your Carlos Rosario email. Then you're going to click My Documents, and then you're going to click Edit. And what you will do in this assignment, it's about because. So each sentence has the word because, and you will see if because needs to be in there or if you need to take it out. And you can fix any other mistakes you see. When you're done, you click submit. You come back to Schoology and you click submit. And that's it for async. Let's go to sync. It's Thursday. So that means we have Zoom class together. However, we will not have Spark breakout, so we won't do the big class today. So what we will do is we'll do how long have you with action and non-action verbs. Okay. And we're going to work on because. And that's it for today. Good luck.